Hello, classmates and tutor. Mi name is Julio Osuna. I have 61 years old. I am currently married and I am friendly person, companion, and like to play soccer. For activity two, I go to compare TV and the computer. On the television, we can see series and news, soap operas and documentary and the computer too. But in this week, perform online offices and online games.